Hi, I'm Justin Bergner, Portfolio Manager and Analyst at Gabelli Funds. NCR is my best idea for 2023. Headquartered in Atlanta, NCR provides hardware, software, service, and payment solutions worldwide across retail, hospitality, digital banking, and self-service banking, and payment and network segments. The stock declined over 40% in 2022 from $40 per share to $23.50 per share and currently has a market capitalization of $3.7 billion. NCR initiated a strategic review early in 2022, and in September 2022, a rumored buyout by private equity firm Veritas Capital fell through as the LBO math no longer worked in a much higher interest rate environment. Instead, the company announced a separation into two public companies to take effect in late 2023. The ATM company will have about half the revenue and EBITDA and contain the ATM network acquired with Cardtronics, including the Allpoint network and the ATM hardware, software, and services businesses, while the Commerce company will contain the retail, hospitality, payment services, and digital banking businesses. Should a buyer emerge for the whole company before year-end 2023, a sale could still happen. NCR could also sell a business unit like digital banking in the near term if a buyer offers a price with compelling after-tax value. NCR also struggled in 2022 due to headwinds associated with currency, supply chain, higher interest rates on its mostly floating debt, and higher borrowing costs on the cash used to stock its ATM network. Still, the company is poised to deliver on the tempered guidance it put out after the first quarter of 2022, excluding additional currency headwinds, effectively absorbing a $50 million EBITDA hit from the higher cost of cash in its Allpoint ATMs. This despite unprecedented supply chain headwinds that worsened during the year. Ultimately, we think NCR has compelling moderate growth businesses that serve an automation function, notable in retail and hospitality where it provides self-checkout solutions and restaurant kiosks, respectively. The company's returned its digital banking business to growth notwithstanding new entrants. And while NCR's senior management team seems too large and too generously compensated for a sub-$4 billion market cap company, whose stock price has gone sideways for the last 5 years, a separation of the company will likely accelerate retirement and streamline management teams. NCR is trading at 7 times 2023 EBITDA, which seems a couple turns too low for a company generating nearly 80% of its revenue from software and service and 60% of its revenue on a recurring basis, while generating mid to high teens adjusted EBITDA margins. Each turn of EBITDA is worth about $9 per share to the stock. We see modest EBITDA growth, and using an 8 times multiple, think the stock could trade at $35 per share by year end, even after the stock's 13% positive move year to date.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.